Alright, I really hope you guys are able to see this video because my last attempt was really miserable. So anyway, I bought one of these practice locks. I have an assortment of lock tensioning tools and picks and rakes. The reason you may want to consider getting one of these is because when you buy something that has a lock with no key, before you drill it out, I think it's worth an attempt to try to pick it open first before you drill it out. So this is a very cheaply made lock. Okay, this is in design similar to a master lock, but these pins and mechanism inside are made to a very loose manufacturing tolerance, which is what enables you to pick a lock in the first place. These are going to be basically the cheapest and easiest lock you're ever going to come across. So this represents an extra easy lock to pick, but it's still a great learning tool because it'll show you how the pins are and how the pins move around. And I don't know how well you're going to see that or not, but it still gives you a really good learning tool. So what you're going to do is you're going to get yourself a tensioning tool like this. And if you notice that it turns to the right to open. So we're going to put some tension up here and put some gentle tension up at the top of the keyway and hold that to the right. And I'm going to take one of my rakes. These are picks. These are rakes. Rakes, you go back and forth and you kind of randomly bump around the pins until they line up at what's called the shear line, which is where all these pins at the top line up with the pins in the bottom that you don't see right now, and that enables the lock to open. So let's have a go at it here. And you just want a little gentle tension, not a lot of tension. It's not a heavy duty situation. Let's try that again here. Let's try this one. And you're just going to go back and forth and jiggle stuff around until things start lining up. And there you go. You will feel the lock as these pins slowly begin to set one by one, because that's what you're doing here. You're setting each one individually. There's many other videos on YouTube that are going to go into way more detail, but this is a really good, like, I don't know, $13, $14 item. It gives you a good fundamental understanding of how these locking mechanisms work. And like I say, it's worth trying to pick something open before you destroy it. Because generally you have once you get some practice and if you have a bit of time on your hands, you can definitely have a go at it. And more often than not, you'll be able to do it. Anyway, cheap toy, fun puzzle. Your kids may enjoy tinkering with something like this, and it's a really good starting point. So if you want to learn how to pick locks, this is probably your best starting point for not a lot of money. But yeah, you definitely need to get yourself a quality set of picks and a quality set of tensioning tools. See ya.